I've got to get off this plane.
We're gonna be on the ground in 20 minutes.
That's too late.
Read this. It's a terrific article on sperm whales.
Do you want everyone to die? Oh!
Is everything all right?
She's just not feeling very well. Terrific fear of heights. Can't leave the ground conscious.
Please, listen to me. You've got to understand. I'm about to become violently ill. Oh! Oh! Oh!
Here, sit back, sit and enjoy the full moon.
You've got to get me off this plane!
Please, miss, get a hold of yourself. Haven't you got any more of those tranquilizers?
Please get out! Please get out!
Hey, what's going on? She's a little dramatic, but that's the girl I love.
Please return to your seats.
Fasten your seatbelt. The temperature is on that.
What the hell was that?
Captain, we have trouble. A crazy woman's locked herself in the lavatory, and there's a dog loose in the cargo hold.
I hate weekend flights. Get us priority landing clearance.
I asked.
LA Tower.
This is flight 357 with you, Roman inbound.
This is your captain speaking. It appears that a small dog
Has escaped